What's really lurking inside your makeup sponge? You trust it for a flawless look, but it could be the hidden cause of your breakouts and rashes. Even if you rinse it, millions of invisible germs may be thriving inside. Your daily beauty routine might be a risky gamble. Imagine cutting open your sponge. On the surface, it looks fine, but deep inside, bacteria and mold are multiplying. Organisms like Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli can live in the damp, nutrient-rich core, feeding on leftover makeup and skin oils. When you press that sponge to your face, you're not just applying makeup, you're pressing bacteria and fungi into your pores. This can trigger inflammation, acne, and irritation that no expensive cream can fix. The very tool you rely on for a beautiful complexion could be sabotaging your skin. The flawless finish comes at a hidden cost. By the end of this video, you'll know how to protect your skin. Let's pull back the curtain on the dirty secret hiding in your beauty routine. Are you ready to see what's really inside your makeup sponge? Makeup sponges are designed to be absorbent, soaking up water and holding onto it for hours. After use, most people leave them damp in a warm, dark place, perfect for germs. Each use adds oils, sweat, and dead skin cells, feeding bacteria and fungi inside. The sponge rarely dries out completely, especially in humid bathrooms. Unlike brushes, the dense foam traps moisture deep inside, creating a thriving ecosystem for microbes. Even if the outside feels dry, the core stays damp for over 24 hours. Every day you reintroduce old germs and add new ones, pressing a contaminated sponge to your face. This relentless cycle leads to persistent breakouts and irritation. The tool meant for beauty becomes a vector for infection. Mystery skin problems? They're often caused by your own makeup sponge. The risk is real, and it's hiding in plain sight. Let's see what science has uncovered. In 2026, researchers analyzed over 200 used makeup sponges, and the results were shocking. Over 90% contained harmful bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli. Fungi, including mold and yeast, were also common, thriving in the damp sponge core. These microbes can cause acne, rashes, and even serious infections, especially if you have cuts or a weakened immune system. Some sponges had over 1 billion bacteria, more than a toilet seat. The pretty blender on your vanity is a microbial jungle. Staphylococcus triggers acne and clogged pores. E. coli can infect cuts or eyes. Fungi cause rashes, often mistaken for acne. If you have stubborn skin issues, your sponge is likely the culprit. The evidence is clear. Your makeup sponge is a reservoir for pathogens. It's time to rethink your routine. But can you actually clean it? Think rinsing or washing with soap keeps your sponge clean. Think again. Surface cleaning only removes makeup stains, not the millions of germs deep inside. Adding water just helps bacteria and mold grow faster. Microwaving a damp sponge is risky. It can melt, catch fire, and doesn't sterilize evenly. Specialized cleansers may make your sponge look clean, but most don't kill bacteria or fungi inside. The sponge's dense, porous structure protects germs from any quick fix. True sterilization isn't practical for these tools. The cleaning myth is busted. You can't make a makeup sponge permanently safe. The only real solution? Replace it regularly. Let's see what the experts recommend. Here's how to protect your skin. Experts agree. Replace your makeup sponge every 1 to 3 months, no exceptions. Don't wait for it to look dirty. Contamination starts long before you see it. Mark your calendar or set a reminder to toss old sponges. After each use, wash with an antimicrobial cleanser, squeeze out water, and let it air dry in a well-ventilated spot. Never store it in a closed, damp space. Consider switching to silicone applicators or foundation brushes, which are easier to clean and less likely to harbor germs. Diversifying your tools lowers your risk of skin problems. Go check your sponge now. If it's older than 3 months, throw it away. Invest in a multi-pack so you always have a fresh one ready. Small changes break the cycle of breakouts and protect your skin. Your beauty routine should support your skin's health, not sabotage it. Check the video description for my recommended essentials. No gimmicks, just what works. Don't forget to like and subscribe.